You're not watching this video by mistake. It's not a mistake. So many of you think AI cannot create a professional poster that people stay the same and everything stays the same, the logo, with very many images. Many of you were complaining that AI will not generate the best thing or the professional thing without changing if you include very many images. So guys, today I've come to say that's a lie. When I said bye to Photoshop, guess what? I was meaning it, and I'm staying on my word. AI has taken over. Recently I was doing Photoshop tutorials, but now I've shifted to AI tutorials because guess what? AI is taking over. And guys, I'm serious on this. With one click you can create a professional based artwork, professional flyer, professional business that does not look like AI made. Anyway, let's dive into the video, my friends and my guys. One thing we should start with, please watch the video to the end because you're going to need something at the end, and I'll put it there. Guess what? One thing we have to first learn is prompting. In the recent video I did, you can go and watch it, I did teach about prompting. So guys, still I'm going to do that same thing, but briefly I'm going to teach you how to prompt, and I'm going to give you the tools you can use. We are going to use tools like Gemini, tools like ChatGPT and others. Just dive into the video. I think, okay, let me say this. Yesterday I managed to post this in my hobbies Oggies group. I said free business flyers for my hobbies and Oggies today and tomorrow only. I'm designing a free flyer for just 5 businesses. So one of my hobbies sent me these very many pictures. So I decided to do a tutorial on this, and shout outs to Serco Arts. And if I'm sorry if I'm using your images, please just accept. It's for study purpose. Guys, let's dive into the video. One thing we should start with, as always, we start with watching the video to the end, and boom, we are going to start by prompting. Let's learn prompting first. You get, guys? Prompting is the most important thing. Guys, prompting is very important, and many of you fail from this step. That's why I'm emphasizing this step properly, and I am teaching beginners, not this. If you're a beginner, this is your tutorial. Even if you're a professional, you have to watch this video, because the way I'm teaching, I teach like a beginner and I teach beginners. So a professional, this will be good for you because you know what to do, and a beginner, this is the best for you. Anyway, we are going to start by prompting. One thing what I first did, I downloaded the images of the client and I named them according to the way he gave them to me. I downloaded this one and named it. I downloaded this one and named it. I downloaded the logo and named it. I downloaded the painting and named it. Please don't miss any step, and still even this I named it properly. So in our prompt I managed to say business name. I gave the business name. I first listed the business name. Make sure you list the brand colors. I think you can see the business name. Make sure you list the brand colors. Okay, don't miss them out. Understand the brand colors from the client's logo. Then here we say what we do, and I listed what the business does. Please put it, and then in bracket you see I've said I've provided all the images because we are going to provide them. Guess what? Okay, I have platforms. The client gave me his platforms, and the contacts of the client. Well, I said to the AI, I'm going to upload all those images and logo in an image generator AI. Now generate for me a professional prompt to paste in the AI to design for me a 1-by-1 professional high-end human looking business poster. Note, it is very important to put the size of the poster you want so that the AI does not think for you. It's very important to provide the details and the brand colors of the business so that the AI does not think for you. It's very important to upload the images of the client so that the AI does not upload a thing for you. So then I said the poster must not show it's AI made. So the AI should avoid AI used symbols. Then I listed the symbols and etc. The AI must avoid emojis. The poster must be unique. Brand logo, brand in bracket logo colors considered. The images used mostly those that have people involved must. Is this a spelling of involved? Surely. Okay, let's. Involved must not change. They must look the same. No human body, face, hair, etc. details must change. Note, the poster must look very professional. Logo must not be rebuilt. So guys, you can take a screenshot of this prompt and edit it. I'm not going to put it in the description. It's very important to list the things I told you. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy our prompt and come to Gemini. It's a free tool, I think you can see. So we paste our prompt there. After pasting our prompt, we are going to drag all the images sent by the client. We should not miss out. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 images. So we paste them. I told you when you're selecting, don't select 3.1 flashlight. Don't select the Pro version. Just select the 3.5 flash. When you select it, you click submit. Gemini is going to generate for you something you'd need. As we are waiting for it, please make sure you subscribe. Click the subscribe. And if I'm going to save you lots of dimes, please make sure you can give a super sticker. So the AI has managed. I'm sorry for the sound. So the AI has managed to generate for us a prompt. I think you can see it. Let's play it and listen to what the AI has managed to generate for us. Please listen very careful because we have to follow steps by step. Let's play the sound of the AI.
A professional, high-end one-to-one business poster for Enserico Arts, using its signature gold and black brand colors and logo. The composition is a luxurious grid-based layout on a matte black background with reflective gold foil accents. The top center features the Enserico Arts logo, image_1 link to .png, in polished gold, perfectly rendered and not rebuilt. Below the logo, refined gold serif typography reads, Enserico Arts, crafting luxury.
Okay, that's the prompt, and the AI will not make a mistake in this prompt. Yes, the AI make mistakes, but it will not make any mistake in this prompt if you do it the way I have told you. Okay, now let's go and edit our provided prompt. What are we going to do here? We are going to edit. Anyway, let's upload them. Don't edit, because when you read it, it's perfect. Make sure you don't select the create image. Please come to ChatGPT. Let me hard refresh here. Make sure you don't, please don't select the create image. Let me create. Okay, just paste this. Just paste your prompt. When you paste your prompt, come upload, drag and drop the images you used in the other AI. Make sure they're all uploaded. They're uploading. Then make sure you understand, you read the prompt so that you're sure about everything. Then click send prompt. You get? As it is sending prompt, my name is Donxtraboost Young MC. I didn't introduce at the first time. And well, we deal in different social media growth, everything you may need about social media. We provide social media growth. As you can see, we are waiting for the image to generate. That's why I'm trying to advertise here. Please, there are very many things you're going to need in this website. Just visit the website. Trust me, it has custom things you really want. And we shall teach you how to use AI, build websites, build applications, CVs, and everything done with AI. Let's check if our image has finished generating. The AI is still generating the image. So I'm using that time. Please go visit this website. You're going to find very many things you're going to need. I love you so much, and I'm blessed that you guys are following me, are liking. We shifted from Photoshop. Now we're doing AI videos. Please like them, love them, share them. tell a friend to tell a friend. We are trying to simplify work for you. Let's check and see. See, the AI has managed to generate 2 images. At first it generated this one with black, this one, and then I prompted it to try to put a background that's trying to match the business, and it came out like this. So guys, this is the best thing. I'm telling you, AI is transforming things. Remember to subscribe, remember to visit our website. Love you so much. I sign out. Young Don MC, Donxtraboost. Yeah.